Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to turn on fast torch in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to gestures and here select fast torch and here turn on this button fast torch, so that if you do two karate chop motions, we will have fast torch. Okay, that is a torch turned on. Okay, this is torch. Okay, you got to give two karate motions. Okay, see here, torch is turned on. Okay, if you again do two karate motions, fast torch will be turned off. Okay, now turned on, now turned off. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn on fast torch in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.